How to fix Snapchat SS06 code in iPhone problem. So if you want to fix your Snapchat SS06 code in iPhone, then what you need to do is the first step will be to go to your settings, scroll all the way down, go with apps. Under apps, you need to scroll down and go with Snapchat. After tapping on Snapchat, from here, you're going to go with location. And from location, you need to change it to always, which is right here. Select always. And the second step is you have to go back and just remove the settings application and then again open up your settings. After opening, now you need to scroll down and go with VPN. If your VPN is off, then it's okay. But if it's turned on, you need to just go and turn it off. It might be sometimes the reason why you're getting banned or why you're getting this issue. Now, the third step is to go to the general. You need to open up your iPhone settings and then just scroll down, go with general, and then go with iPhone storage. And here you need to search for Snapchat. Once you find the Snapchat, all you have to do is offload your application. Tap on offload. This is going to uninstall Snapchat and your problem might be fixed. However, if these steps didn't work, that means your account has been banned forever. So if you are lucky enough, then your account will be recovered after 6 to 8 months. It's going to take some time. So the only thing that you can do is you can just wait for it. Sometimes if it's temporary or if it's a temporary ban, like if you've done a small violation, which is not that big, then your ban will be for a week or maybe for a month. But if you've done something very big, a very big violation, then that's going to take some time. In some cases, you will never get your account back. But if you're lucky enough, you may have your account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.